Hi everyone. I am having an open house this Sunday from 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Come out and look at this gorgeous villa in Sonora Valley. It's a 1.5-story reverse ranch located in a cul-de-sac. The lot features a private backyard with a view of a small lake, gorgeous landscaping that's maintenance-free, beautiful updated kitchen, granite countertops, eat-in dining with an open floor plan that goes out into a living room with a gas fireplace. All new hardwood floors were installed in 2015. New AC unit was also installed in 2018. The master bedroom is on the main floor with a master bath and a whirlpool tub. This home is a must-see. Beautiful finished walkout basement. HOAs include community pool, lawn maintenance, snow removal, and trash pickup. This is a must-see. Come out and see me Sunday. Pick up your Chiefs.